Hello everyone, welcome to Hero Games, Spider-Man, and superheroes do an amazing challenge with motorbike. Wow! Enjoy watching. Let's do this challenge. Spider-Man, let's go on this motorbike. Haha, let's keep going. Superman, giant football. Whoa, stop signs. Let's go over the Hulk bridge. Wow. This is pipes. Whoa, nice pink ramp. Haha, let's go. Supercars. Okay, nice. We are on the plane. Wow, nice. Bowling ball. Watch out, don't get hit. Okay. Freddy. Haha. Let's continue. Haha. Let's drive over. Whoa. The tree. Let's watch out and not fall. Be careful, Spider-Man. Windmills. Whoa! Let's drive inside the tube. Whoa, blocks! Haha! Okay, what is this? The tires. Alright, let's go. Right. Nice. Watch out, bowling balls. Okay, Hulk. Nice. Let's be slow. Let's not fall. Okay. We are there? Nice. Giant burger. Whoa, gorilla. What are you doing? Okay. Let's go up the ramp. Nice. Let's continue. Whoa. It's more Spider-Man and Peach Girl. That's amazing. Wow! Let's go. Shrek, Joker, Superman. Wow, what are you doing? Red container. And let's go. on Spider-Man Bridge. Wow, that is amazing. Okay, giant triangle with superheroes on top. Watch out, I am coming through. Wow. Okay, let's drive on the tree. Nice. Left. Haha, hook. Right. Great. Wow. Haha. Now let's go in the tube. Watch out, there is pipes in the way. And box and fence. Let's go down. Whoa! Smash through the target. Nice. Let's go. Whoa, red container. Bowling pin. Nice, we are on giant burger. Pipes. And what is this? I am confused. Let's go, any haze. Inside the pipe. Whoa, we are going super fast. Let's go up now. Whoa, what happened? We are floating. Okay. Nice, we have made it to the finish line. This time is great, Spider-Man. Iron Man, it is your turn. Let's do this. Whoa, you are on a very fast motorbike. I see, it's dirt bike. Whoa. Hello, sharks. How are you? Okay, let's go. Stop signs. Nice. Spider-Man, be careful. Superman. And the Hulk bridge. We are going over now. Nice. We just passed it. Let's go. Do the loop on the ramp. Wow. That is so cool. Ho ho ho. Okay. Let's go. Oh wow. Nice. Let's go past the windmill. Whoa! We got hit by the windmill. Let's fall into the bottom. Whoa! Wolverine, it is your turn. Let's try and succeed the challenge. Down the pipe. Nice. It's sharks. Whoa! We are jumping. Hook bridge. Nice. Let's go. Whoa! This is amazing. Whoa! We are flying again. Let's keep going. Okay, pipes. Let's drive over. Nice, it's a tree. And the jet.